and white socks. There are two abductors. The first abductor is Michelle Hemphill. Michelle Hemphill is a 19-year-old black female, approximately 5 foot 6 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds. Michelle Hemphill has black hair and brown eyes. The second abductor is Timothy Lee. Timothy Lee is a 23-year-old black male, approximately 5 foot 4 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds. Timothy Lee has black hair and brown eyes. They were last seen traveling in a blue minivan with unknown license plate. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact Charlotte Mecklenburg Police Department at 704-336-7600 or call 911.